Hey guys, I'm Gupta here, founder at 10x Coder Kids and an official Guinness record holder for the youngest computer programmer in the world.
Hi guys, I'm Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I am the co-founder of 10xcoderkids.com.
And today we are gonna be unboxing chocolates from France. So these are the Disneyland chocolates from Paris, and these are also from Paris but are classic Lindor.
Look at this, so amazing.
Right. So today we are gonna be unboxing these and trying some flavors, new flavors, and reviewing them. So without any delay, let's get started. Alright. So should we unbox this first or this?
Let's start with this because this is more special.
Alright. So let's start with the Lind. Alright. So this is
Alright.
our classic Lind
Red
balls,
Lindor.
right? So we'll have one Lindor,
Yeah.
right? And
These are my favorites.
these are one of the classic favorites, right? This is a 200-gram box, and let's just try it.
Alright.
Yeah, the classic, very good. Ten on 10.
10 on 10 too.
Now this is one flavor only, so no point on having this more right now. We'll have it afterwards. Let's keep it aside. Now, chocolates from Disneyland.
So I'm going to open it.
You don't know how to open it.
I know.
Alright.
Oh my god.
There are 75 chocolates in this, right? And let's see the flavors.
Yeah.
We have the Mickey Mouse Disneyland chocolate. That is a dark chocolate.
Yeah, it's adorable. Oh my god. Like,
This is not Donald Duck, but this is the duck chocolate. It's also dark chocolate.
yeah,
Then
it's beautiful.
we have the Minnie Mouse milk chocolate.
Okay, I'm excited to have this.
And then finally, we have the Donald Duck milk chocolate.
Okay.
So you have four flavors: the Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse chocolates. Mickey Mouse is dark chocolate. Minnie Mouse is milk chocolate.
And we have Donald Duck. It's milk chocolate, and I don't know the name of this character. And this is dark chocolate.
Right. So let's try all of these flavors,
Yes.
and we'll have them half so that these last for some days, right? Though they are only gonna last for 3 days, but still. Alright, so let's just start with the
Mickey
main
Mouse.
character, Mickey Mouse. Alright, so beautiful packing, dark chocolate packing, very thin chocolate, right? And there's no character design from the inside, but
yeah,
let's
just
have
the
it.
wrapper was. Okay, let's try.
It's dark chocolate.
I mean, I don't really like dark chocolates, but this is fine.
Mm.
I would give it a 6 out of 10.
This is a solid 8 because she doesn't have taste in dark chocolate, but I do. But it could be a little bit sweeter.
Yeah, because at the end there's a bitter taste.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
let's try Minnie Mouse.
I will open this. I love Minnie Mouse.
Alright.
Alright. So here we are.
The
Very
milk-
thin chocolate, and this is milk chocolate. So the comparison will be both the dark chocolates and both the milk chocolates. Okay, I'll do it half. Which one? Bro, it's good.
Very thin. But I like it less than the dark chocolate. It's like
Less?
a 7.
It's a 8 for me.
It's alright.
It's pretty good.
Now let's have the Donald Duck milk chocolate.
Yeah, and let's see if the Mickey Mouse is better or the Donald Duck is better.
No, the Minnie Mouse or the Donald Duck.
No, the Minnie Mouse was milk chocolate.
Yeah, so this is also milk chocolate.
Oh.
Alright, so
It is pretty same.
it's better. It's less sweet.
No, it's more sweet.
Your taste buds are wrong. It's less sweet, right? And it's the perfect milk chocolate. It's like a 9.
No, I think
This
as
is
this is
better.
more sweet, I will give this a 7.5.
Look, you're confusing your viewers.
Look, we both have different taste buds.
She gives it a 7 because it's more sweet.
No, 7.5.
No, I give it a 9 because it's less sweet. Alright.
And now dark chocolate. I hope Mickey Mouse will be better because he's a mean character after all. Here you go.
What?
I'm just kidding.
You are. The Mickey Mouse one was better. The Mickey Mouse had a consistency. It was bitter all throughout. It could have been a bit sweeter, but the Mickey Mouse was bitter all throughout. But this is sweet at first, then it gets so bitter. I don't like this. It's like a 5.
Yeah, same. It was first sweet, so I was like, and then it was like so bitter. So I'll give it 4.5.
Alright.
It's not good. I mean, for dark chocolate lovers, you're gonna love it.
Yep. And these were the chocolates from France. The Disneyland chocolates and the Lindt chocolates. Lindt is obviously better. No offense to Disneyland. But the best in Disneyland, I believe, in dark chocolate was Mickey Mouse. And in milk chocolate, it was the Donald Duck.
Okay. For me, in dark chocolate was Mickey Mouse.
Show it to the viewers.
The dark chocolate I liked more was Mickey Mouse.
This one.
And yeah. And for me, the milk chocolate one was Minnie Mouse.
Alright. So do try these out when you go to Disneyland in France. Do buy these chocolates and try them out. It will be a great experience for you.
Yes, guys, and this chocolate was also amazing, like
Also,
always.
It is the best. All-time best. So thank you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can.
Thank you, guys.
Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching our videos.